Hello and welcome back. This is Micah 2 Scoops, and today I will be showing you how to quickly pair a 4-pole bundle of Deako Smart Dimmers. This will essentially group those 3 switches in this set of lights so that you can easily add it to the Deako app. First, remove your Deako rockers. Now we want to test with the remote smart dimmer whether or not this backplate has power. And we'll give it a couple of seconds to flash green. All right, it's not flashing green, so this backplate does not have power. Let's move on to the next backplate. We're at the next backplate. And as we see, it does have power. So let's take the last remaining remote smart switch and move it to the backplate that we haven't tested yet. This should be your last remote smart dimmer for the full 4-pole bundle. And if we insert it, this should flash green, meaning it has power. And we can move on to the master switch. Now the last switch you'll enter is the master smart dimmer. And that will also flash green. Now all of your rockers have been replaced with the smart dimmer, and from the master switch itself, it will turn on the lights as before. Last but not least is the pairing procedure. Hold this button for 3 seconds till it turns purple. Now let's go to the other switches and do the same. All right, now they're all flashing purple. And from here, now we just hold this again. You should see a slight color shift to white. And now the lights are pairing. As the lights are pairing, your lights will turn on and off. But once the pairing is complete and all the white lights stop flashing, you'll be able to control your lights from any switch and not just the master. At that point, it's ready to add to the Deako app.